Yeah.
I still need to learn
There
how
it
to do
is.
those things.
There it is. Hey. Hey. There it is. We found it. The red and gold. The red and gold Ferrari. Let's go.
MNKY_KNG said,
Beautiful.
I
Beautiful,
got punted
beautiful.
4x in the W.S.
Oh yeah? Nice. Look at the gold wheels. How like gold pops. Beautiful. It's my kind of red too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You are the Picasso of designers, your work. Let's go. There it is.
Said,
there it is.
Did you see they released the new pedals for the 598?
Nah.
MNKY_KNG said,
Beautiful. Still top 3, that's the podium. Can't complain about that. Sunlad, what up? Player 1, what up? Monkey King, what up? See guys, that was all me. Why is the person in P1 always holding me?
Player 1 GT said, let's go.
P1's holding me up a little bit, but it's alright. My apex.
Call
my
me
apex.
hand.
It's my apex. See? That's my apex. I own it. Really want purple now. Please give me purple. I want purple stuff.
Philness_GT.
Goodness.
Welcome to my channel. Yo.
What's up? What's up? Picasso. Opened your livery. I was going to do a couple of races and then do it for the end. But I missed the whole
Philness_GT
race, so then I went ahead and just
said,
opened it up.
did you see your livery yet?
Oh yeah, I did. Loved it. Beautiful red and gold.
I gotta go see your reaction.
Definitely. Yeah, I don't know how. So that's the PlayStation cam. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, I'm going for it. I'm going for it. Come on, come on, I want to open my beer. Really gonna be like that? Really like that?
RL9010 said, can do it in OBS.
No, it's on the PlayStation.
RL9010
Bye.
said, transform.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, let me do fastest lap, at least that. Sorry, guys.
A saluting face. RSR_ACER1 said, sup RSR_moto saluting face.
Did you guys see him flash his lights at me and then spin out?
Saturday Night Lights tonight, ace you in?
Please no penalty, please no penalty, no! Yes! Take that. Third place energy, third place energy.
GG.
Race to positions, not bad. But yeah, I mean, I think having a hashtag on your title is important, for sure. I was blind. I was blind. They were too close. Ah, should have used the hook camera. That was terrible. My bad, dude. Oh. That's yours, dude. That's yours. Just don't knock me out, please. Don't knock me out. Lay breakers.
Philness_GT said, okay, better eat, grab some lunch. Enjoy the racing, my friend.
It's a rough lobby here. Rough lobby. Oof. Purple. Yes. Somebody else probably purple though. Now. Clean race. That was a clean race.
_crawl 3R.
Yeah, for some reason
said,
I've been on that and it's
+5 BB, 0 TCS, ABS week.
So I got my ABS on week, but every time I turn down my TC, I'm just not used to it. I got to do like a full hour where I'm just qualifying and getting used to the no TC. When I tried it earlier in the stream, I turned it off, and then bam, right away I'm just like sliding, but I'm very quick on the accelerator, so that's kind of a problem, you know? Messed it up again. Yes! They were fighting right before. Come on, dude. This is a beautiful lobby. This is a beautiful lobby. I can do this. I can do this.
_crawl 3R said, front bumper view is the best view. _crawl 3R said, upshift to prevent spin.
I thought I was gonna get this guy. This whole time with the bumper cam. Penalty. Yes.
_crawl 3R.
Come on, I'm waiting to open my beer. I'm waiting.
After race, watch my replay.
Definitely.
_crawl 3R said, watch how I shift.
That's the kind of stuff I need to do. I need to study the replays and not just a ghost. Cool. Let's go through him. Haha. I know some people say that's risky, but that's a calculated move. Almost a fastest lap. That was crazy. Finally, I get to open my beer. Let's go. P1, baby. P1, baby. Let's go.
_crawl 3R. GG.
It's how we celebrate. It's how we celebrate. I win on a Saturday right there. Let's go. Beer time. See, people think they're supposed to pour to the side. Nah, you want some head. Head is always good. We're talking about beer, right? Let's go. To you. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna call this learning with the crawler. Third.
Remember to let your fingers ride.
Yeah.
Beautiful, like that. That's what you do every time. every time.
Definitely.
It's okay. You're gonna do it on this lap now.
There you go, good exit. 146.2. 146.5.
Oh, you go.
Stay on 5th. Don't go too much to the left. Go, 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 go!
Stay forward.
Ah!
All right, you're good. You're good.
Just need a little bit more, a little bit more.
Beautiful. Let your gears ride. Get it, let it ride. You're still good.
I just don't like the way I'm turning in there.
That's a 45. That's a 45, boy. Let's
go!
Let's go!
Let's go! I should have kept going. I started clapping. Finally! Finally! Yes!
Good
Let's
work,
go!
man.
Thank you, thank you.
The main place where you're losing time and you can keep that momentum is that up left-handed turn. When I'm saying let your gears ride, I'm talking about your downshifts. Let your downshift to second ride for a little bit, then first for a little bit, then quick upshifts to third.
Too much defense now. Too much defense now. Too much defense. Lost the race on the last turn, the last lap. Hey, thank you. Lost it on the last lap. What? Look at that. Not a win, but 3 stars anyways. Broadcasting off the PlayStation. I'll make sure I record my reaction. I'm gonna type LVP, hit search. There it is. Hey! What? What? Oh, you put my logo on it. What? Nice. What? What? Doodle, you did your thing, man. Look at that. Jeez. LVP on the side. The T598. Subscribe. That's beautiful. Oh man. Dude. Dude. 444 on the side. Jeez. Let's go. My collection. There it is. Dude. Oh, he's got all the logos. Look at this beautiful thing. Oh my goodness. They try to keep up with the big boys. Uh-oh. Alright, held them off. Very nice. Very nice car. Nice, held off my position. Clean race, yes. Beautiful. This GTR is way more stable than W.